how to add links to your YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so you can add any valid social links to your YouTube channel like Facebook, Twitter or X, and any other social channel like Instagram and Pinterest. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open YouTube. Okay, so here we are, this is my YouTube, and first of course you need to log in with your email ID, and after that just click on your profile icon, and we need to go in YouTube Studio. Okay, so YouTube Studio will be open like this. Okay, and now here you can see at your left side and side option, you can see the option called customize. Just click on customize, and under the basic info we need to just drag down, scroll down, and here you can see the links. Okay, so we can add links by clicking this add options, and here you can add the links. First give the name, then copy your profile links, social profile link. I just type the only sample link here. You need to just add your profile link here. Okay, and by clicking add you can add another links here. Okay, under the URL you need to add your profile link. Okay, I'm just having the only links, only website link for sample. Okay, after that you can publish from here, and in case if you want to delete, here you can see the delete option here. Just delete and publish. Okay, so that is how you can add the links. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.